Rise from your grave.
Like I said, I don't give a shit if we got to sue their asses. Well, fuck you, you're getting sued. You scummy cunts, you think. I mean, the problem is everyone thinks, hey, man, I want to get you into the UFC. Fuck the UFC. You're shit. You motherfuckers don't look after nobody. You just go, here, throw this motherfucker, this
I love how the kids in the background.
and throw him on under the bus, and they don't get the best in front of the whole world, and we'll let this fucking white piece of shit fucking sticking needles in his ass and say, oh, let him cheat all the way to the fucking bank. Let's give him fucking millions of dollars and don't worry about this motherfucker. You know, fuck that and fuck your shit company. Take that.
There you go.
You know what's great about Mark Hunt
There
is,
you
by
go.
the way, he said shoving needles in your, and he used every fucking phrase for ass.
Did he say poop shoot?
Dude, he fucking switched it up. He said it 10 times. He switched it up every time. He said poop shoot, brown star, fucking bumhole. Like, he used every single, like, he's good. For someone who gets hit in the head for a living.
I was kind of disappointed. I would have loved to have heard some sort of like Mad Max New Zealand-esque like different word for poop shoot. Like,
I think he had,
stick it up his tallywhanker,
I think he had one of those.
little scrabby dabba.
So what do you think,
What
man?
accent
So
are
do
you
you
doing?
think
I don't know. Did you try and do a New Zealand accent? We got fucking Rich Little over here.
He's gonna come up on the
Look
end.
that up. You can Google it
that's
because you
not
probably don't
bad.
know
Yeah,
it.
you know.
that's
What?
not bad? That's not, you know. It's not
You
bad.
know. You gotta. Yeah, you just gotta.
Yeah, but
Well,
New
that's more
Zealand.
Australian,
Not English.
No. New Zealand and
New Zealand
Australian
and Australia
accents.
are the same thing.
No.
I don't care what
No,
they
they're
are.
not.
It's a little.
They-
They're different.
are
That's like
the
saying
same.
that's like
No.
saying someone from Brooklyn and someone from like Chicago have the same accent.
No, that's different.
No, they're different.
I think they're
That's totally different.
Dude, I dated an Australian girl for like 2 years, and trust, like they sound way different from New Zealand. But she was also like from the city, so
Let's see who has the best Australian accent. You go first.
I can't do it.
You could do it.
No, I don't do accents.
Let's see over there, the
It,
master of accents.
well, you know, for an Australian accent, you just come up on the end.
Actually, that's pretty good.
It's not bad.
Yeah, that's all. It's easy.
No, I think I could do one. Let me see.
Vowels, just vowels.
Yeah, well, yeah, we got this dingo
What the
over
what the fuck?
over the other ears, and you know, fuck, I can't do
It's
it.
like you shoved the Irish man
sounds
up
like
an
you're doing
Australian guy's asshole.
It sounds like you're doing 6 accents at once. You're like the
I know,
Exorcist.
like one at a time, buddy. Fucking slow down.